Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to transfer AT&T email to Yahoo. Search on Google Recovery Tools Email Backup Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Select AT&T. Enter AT&T credentials. Click on Login. Check the folders that you want to convert. Select Yahoo. Save messages in default folders option. Migrate source folders to existing and matching destination folders. Enter Yahoo credentials. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.